Code DR2095. Given question is that a given line in 3D form and a given plane, and intersection point of line and plane is given as A point, and we have to find out equation of line which passes through point A lying in given plane and satisfying the condition having minimum inclination with the given line. So we can show plane this and given line as this, and point of intersection is A. So what we are going to do, that we have to find equation of a line which lying in given plane and which is passing through A and having minimum inclination with the given line. There are so many lines which can lie in the given plane and pass through point of intersection of line and plane, like this, this and this, namely L1, L2 and L3. If we want a line which lying in the given plane and having minimum inclination with the given line, we have to take projection of given line on the given plane. So what we are going to do, we take a point Q on the given line and we find projection of point Q on the given plane Q dash, and if we join Q dash to A, we can get our required answer. So what elements are needed for this question? We need point A, we need point Q dash. For point A, we can take a point A on this line in the form of 2r plus 1, 3r plus 2, 4r plus 3. This is a randomly selected point on the given line. If this is point A, then this will satisfy the equation of plane also. So 2r plus 1 minus 3r plus 2 plus 4r plus 3 plus 2 equal to 0. 8, 4, 1r, 8r, 9r plus 8 equals 0. So the value of r will become minus 8 by 9. Now we can find point A. A point can be written as again minus 16 by 9 plus 1, minus 24 by 9 plus 2, minus 32 by 9 plus 3. A point comes out to be minus 7 by 9, minus 6 by 9, which can be written as minus 2 by 3, and third point is minus 5 by 9. This is point A, which is point of intersection of line and given plane. Now we need another element in order to do this question. We need a point on given line which is known point and its projection on the given plane, which is represented here as in form of Q dash. So we can take Q point as a known point as the point 1, 2, 3. As we can see directly from equation of line, point Q, let Q 1, 2, 3. As we can directly see that Q point 1, 2, 3 lie on the given line. Now we need its projection on the given plane. We use projection formula for finding Q dash. For Q dash, we can write x minus 1 upon A, y minus 2 upon B, z minus 3 upon 2 C, and we put this point in the given plane. 2 into 1 minus 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 2 upon 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. So this will become minus 8 by 9. Equating it, we can get minus 16 by 9 plus 1, 8 by 9 plus 2 and minus 16 by 9 plus 3. So the point Q dash comes out to be minus 7 by 9, 26 by 9 and 27, 11 by 9. This is point Q dash, which is projection of point Q, a known point on the given line on the given plane. Now, if we have to find out equation of L2, what is equation of L2? L2 is a projection of line, given line on the given plane, which is at a minimum inclination and lie in the plane, which is at a minimum inclination with given line and also lying in the plane. So required equation L2 can be written as x plus 7 by 9 upon minus 7 by 9 plus 7 by 9 equal y plus 6 by 9 means 2 by 3 upon minus 6 by 9 plus 26 by 9. And third one is y z minus 5 by 9 z plus 5 by 9 upon minus 5 by 9 minus 11 by 9. So this line can be written as x plus 7 by 9 equal to 0 and y plus 2 by 3 upon 2 equal to z plus 5 by 9 upon 1. So this is the required answer of our question.